Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Eartha Baca, and this is your next episode in the Halloween series of Beauty Graffiti. So stick around, the rest of the video is on time lapse and you'll see how I did it today. So thank you for being here, I sure appreciate it. So for this look, I'm gonna try a brand new product that I've never tried, and I want to have green hair. So I'm gonna try this mini hair color comb. These are temporary chalk colors. I'm gonna try it right here with you for the very first time. Let's see how they work. I have no idea if I should use dry hair or if I should put product in my hair, so let's just try it. So in case you're wanting to try these things, let's see what they do. I'm gonna use the green, so I'm just gonna take off the plastic. And apparently you're just supposed to comb it on 2 strands of hair, so let's see what happens. I'm really excited to do this look today. Okay, one of the little things, oh no, that was just the protective cover that just fell off. Okay, so let me grab a strand of hair and see how this performs. Well, so far there's no green. Let's see, maybe we have to really get in there. I can start to see some color, that's good. Okay, so maybe the first few strokes have to kind of loosen up the actual chalk. Let's just do a couple more strands here. Oh, that's cool. That is very cool. Okay, I'm digging that. Alright, I'm gonna do a bunch. Oh, it feels good too. It feels like, it actually feels like as if I put mousse in my hair already. So it's adding a little bit of texture, not just color. Alright, let's finish this up. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 6 colors. So if you want to play, see how the pictures are on the back. It's pretty cool. I will link this below if you guys want to grab some for yourself. Okay, so the color is really showing up better as I was using the product, so I think maybe it has to kind of get through maybe the first layer. And I'm also pressing a little bit firm into my hair, and the color is really coming out a whole lot stronger now. Pretty cool. Okay, we have green hair. Let's do some primer. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to make my eyebrows look like they're barely there. So I'm going to first color correct and then cover it with concealer. I'm going to be creating a pretty dark look today, so I'm actually going to use this Addiction palette. It was an anniversary palette, and these glitters are actually on a black background, so they're gonna look glittery, but it's kind of dark. So that's the look I'm going for first on my brows. Then I'm gonna do my eyes and my face, and you're gonna see that all on time lapse. What I'm doing now is I'm topping the dark colors with a black splurge cream shadow. So if you guys really want a true black, grab your splurge cream shadow and go over the dark grays that you've already put on, and that'll make it look just charcoal black. you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment for sure. I'd love to hear from you, and absolutely subscribe. I'm doing a Halloween series. You'll have new videos uploaded every single Tuesday on Beauty Graffiti. Take care. Have a great day.